experiment is the balloon jet airplane. The required materials are scissors, sellotape, balloon, thread, straw. These are the steps to be followed. Pass a thread to the straw. Step 2. Tie the end of the walls. Step 3. Fill the balloons with air and close the mouth with hands. Step 4. Taking the help of your friend, stick the balloon with straw with tape. Step 5. Leave your hand with the straw at one end of the thread. Have you wondered how it works? This shows the Newton's third law of force, which says to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Let's see a video and learn the experiment. Fill the air in the balloon.